Today we're going to focus on what we call composite figures, okay? Basically, we have a shape that can be separated into different regions that we then find the area of. So maybe we can slice it and we have a triangle and a parallelogram where we would find the area separately, and then what are we going to have to do to it? Okay. So we're going to divide up the regions. Like we're just going to separate them out. Unified has a field trip.
What? That is not fair.
We're going to find each area and then add them together.
Where are they going?
They're going to Foundation Field with the other middle schools and high schools, and they're going to have a unified track meet together. Yes.
What if it starts raining in the middle of it?
Well, then they're going to run in the rain.
I want to see one of my foundation.
Derek, that is not nice.
All right. So I want you to look at number 1. How many shapes would we cut this into? Okay. So we have, what is this shape? Oh, okay. We have a rectangle plus, what's the other one? A trapezoid. Okay. We know how to find the area of a rectangle, right?
Yes.
What numbers do we need? 23 times what? Okay. What? Nope. Nope. Okay. Now the trapezoid. Okay. Remember, a trapezoid is 1/2 times the height times the sum of the two bases. Okay. So what is the height of our trapezoid?
That would be...
How are you getting 6? Okay. If this whole thing is 18 and this is 12, then we have 6 left over. Okay. What's base 1? Okay, I heard 23, which means our other base is 15. Okay, base 1, base 2, I don't care which base is which. Okay. All right. Calculate the area. Regions.
1,035. 114.
Okay, Will Barnes, what are you getting? Will Barnes is getting 390. Do you agree with Will Barnes?
Yes, I agree with Will.
Okay. Now, here's the deal. If I'm grading your quiz on Monday, and I only see 390, you're not going to get full credit. Okay? Number 1, I need the label. But number 2, I need to see how the heck you got 390. So I need to see, at the very least, what you're typing into your calculator. This right here in yellow, I need to see so I can understand where 390 came from. Yes?
We did the equations to find area.
I am not sure yet.
Do we specifically just say like what shape is
No, like this in yellow right here. That's...
What the hell is
No.
What?
the next
What if I forget how to make a trapezoid?
The next one. What is that shape?
A circle.
What is this?
Parallelogram.
A parallelogram. What is, and then two semicircles. Okay, at your table, work together to see if you can come up with the total area. Are you serious?
Oh, sorry, semicircle? Or parallelogram. Oh, yeah.
How do you do it?
Find the area.
A parallelogram is base times height.
Basically, you just cut off the sides and put them on that one.
Yeah.
For like, how do you know whether to put the square or not? Is it this area that is the only one that gets
36
it?
times pi.
Yeah, if it's area, then it's square units.
Do any of the other ones have square?
Just area. Volume will be cube units.
You just do like a normal
Congratulations, guys. The triangle sheet is like under the triangle.
area. If you put the circles together. Yeah.
I thought it was 173. No, you didn't call. You didn't 6 times 5. It's 12 times 5. 183. You have the radius. You need the diameter.
You have to find the area of the triangle and then you can find.
Yo quiero un cracker. Plus 60. Plus 60.
Is there any gel like that?
Yeah.
The last penny was
It's a cracker. Oh, missed.
How do I figure it out?
Why is it so bright?
Don't ask me. I don't know what.
And one hour got really good. You don't get one.
Wasn't that funny, Chase? That wasn't that funny. I'm laughing. You don't know what you're doing either, so I don't want to hear it.
Derek said I could
Oh, yeah.
Derek!
All right, here we go.
Where's my cracker?
We shouldn't be eating in class.
Were you pulling down?
What just happened?
You dropped it. The cracker exploded. Don't worry, I got it. I got it.
But where did my...
Put that long pen, but you can spank him.
Did the cracker scare you that much?
We got touchdowns.
I thought that this flew out, but it was a cracker. Okay, Cole. I don't know why I picked on you again. Conway, how do you find the area of the parallelogram in this case?
It says 21 days.
5 times
12? I don't see a 12.
You double 6.
Oh, 6 is the radius. Okay. And then our two semicircles. Nolan. I did. How did you find the? Okay, you could say 2 times 1/2 pi 6 squared, but that's just a circle. 2 halves make a whole. All right. So, did you get an answer of 173.1 square inches?
Yeah, you did.
Okay. Let's come down here to number 4. Okay. Are you serious?
What it does.
Oh, that does. Yeah. I thought you were talking about this picture. That does.
It looks like an ice cream.
Oh wait, we're doing that picture too.
Okay, we have a semicircle plus a triangle. Now, our semicircle. What's the radius of our semicircle?
60.
times height divided by 2.
8.
So we have 1/2 pi r squared. Okay, I'm gonna just write that. I'm not putting anything in my calculator yet. Now, the triangle is 1/2 base times height.
What's it for?
Why is it? Who told me 4? What should it be? Silly goose. Whoever the goose is. Okay. What's the base of the triangle? Okay. So 1/2 base times what's the height of the triangle? Eh. Oh, we're going to have to do Pythagorean theorem. We know that this is 8. We don't know h. The hypotenuse is 17. So 8 squared plus h squared equals 17 squared. It's 15? I'm hearing it's 15. It's 15. Is it 15? 15? Okay.
15. Yeah. Okay. Yes, I am.
So 1/2 base times height.
Come on, calc back. I need my calc. Okay. My calc. She does that.
15.
I was like, all right for you.
No, I.
It's like where side lengths is 1,000. What if you just like put it down to $8? Supermax.
Okay, what's our final answer? 220.5? Sorry, I have to have a teacher timeout there. All right. Okay, I feel confident in your abilities to slice up a composite figure and find the area. Now, let's talk about our shaded regions. Now, this is partly what I had you start with for our warm-up today. Okay? If I have a shaded region, we need to find the area of the entire figure and then subtract out the shaded area, which you seemed perfectly fine with this morning in our warm-up. Are you good? Okay, so of these 4, which one looks like we should talk about it?
6.
I think you're fine with 6.
9.
You wanna do 9?
Whoa, I like 6.
Wait, let's do 6.
No, 7 looks a little.
I like going in.
Start on slides.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Hey guys, wait, can we speed run our homework again and do it outside? Even like 3 minutes, just get fresh in air.
What did you write it for?
Okay, how about this? 8 or 9? Who votes 8? Who votes 9? Let's do that again. Who votes number 8? Who votes number 9? All right, number 8 it is. Okay. What's the whole shape? Okay, a semicircle. And then we need to subtract out. What kind of triangle is that? How do you know it's a right triangle? Oh, do you remember that whole chapter we did just A week ago.
30, 60, 90. Because inside.
No. I see an angle with the vertex on the circle, and it's eating the diameter, which means this is 90. Okay? Now, why is that important? Do we need to know that?
Because now we can do the Pythagorean.
Okay. So 9 squared plus 21.6 squared equals our diameter squared.
81 plus 547.50.
Square root it.
Square root of 5. I just lost the answer.
Say second. Second. Hit second. And then answer. I said second answer. Okay, what's our diameter? 23.4. 23.4? Is that what you said? Okay.
23.45.
So our semicircle is 1/2 pi. Our radius is half of that. Okay. Minus our triangle is 1/2 base times height. What's the base of our triangle?
23.4.
Nope.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. The height and the base are going to be connected with a right angle. So 9 and 21.6 are the base and height of our triangle.
Oh, I see.
11 times 7. I don't have it.
So radius squared, 23.4 is our diameter. So we cut it in half to get our radius.
So why do you need the diameter?
How else are you going to get the radius?
It's for to find the. Oh, that's how you get the shaded region, and then you get the semicircle, and then you minus the triangle area. That's
No. It's that. I put that.
Oh, do we do it now?
It's that. It's 117.8.
Why is it 11 times 7?
Wait, why do you have Okay, so you have.
Yes. So we find the shaded, and then we subtract out the not shaded. Hey, didn't I say no eating in my classroom? No. You can have them back at the end, but stop eating in my classroom. What did you get for the answer?
332.9 meters.
Okay, Derek Pena got 332.9? Question mark? No?
No. You have to divide it by 2, Derek. You have to divide 2.
Okay, so what did you get?
332.9.
That's also wrong. They didn't divide the semicircle by 2.
I got 117.
117.1.
You have to divide the semicircle by 2.
You're wrong.
Okay, so if I use Chase's calculator and I type in 1/2 times pi times 11.7 squared minus 1/2 times 9 times 21, why are you talking? I get 117.8. You guys. I didn't. Okay. You have a calculator that when you press things in, you can see it on the screen. So type this in all at once and save yourself some time. Some of you are finding this and writing it down, and then finding this and writing it down, and then replugging things in. You're wasting time. Just put this all in at once.
So
0.5. Or 1 divided by 2.
times